breaking news here in the Cardano ecosystem. We've got the real Donald Trump, the US president, confirming that XRP, Solana, and Cardano ADA will be key assets captured and stored within the US based crypto reserves. We've seen Cardano now up 40% in the last hour. Let's break it down. Oh, what's up, ADA Nation? Welcome into Dapp Central, your home for everything blockchain and crypto. Boy, oh boy, is the crypto space so crazy. Just when everybody thought that Cardano price action was going nowhere, we've seen a 43% green rocket coming in here following news that Cardano ADA will be one of the key assets that the US targets for their crypto-based reserve. As we're shooting this right now in real time, Cardano up 43%. It was literally just at 65 cents and it's now trading at 95 cents. Could this be the trigger for altcoin season? It definitely looks as such. But we're going to dive into this article here. And for anybody who's new to the channel here, my goal is to help you find your footing within the Cardano Bitcoin ecosystems. If you appreciate content like this, I would appreciate you if you could smash that thumbs up on the way in. If you want more, consider subscribing. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to leave a comment down below. Now, if you want to take your support for the channel a step further, I am a stake pool operator in the Cardano ecosystem. Consider staking or delegating your ADA in order to earn even more passive rewards with either of the two Dapp Central stake pools. So without any further ado, let's jump right on in here. There's just so much going on. This literally just broke 30 minutes ago. President Donald Trump to include XRP, SOL, and ADA in the US crypto reserve. Trump's proposal focuses on counteracting regulatory pressures and boosting the digital assets framework in the country. Now, I broke down the executive order that he mentioned or that he created, which essentially outlined the fact that he wants to protect US-based investors. He wants to make sure that there's regulations, not just for the retail and for institutional adopters, but also for banks and traditional finance or just general companies. So that's been a key piece. I'll leave the link to that video down below, but it states here that Trump has proposed that particular reserve in order to strengthen the digital asset sector. And of course, XRP, SOL, and ADA are highlighted as key assets for that proposed reserve. Now, Charles Hoskinson had been teasing a meeting which was supposed to take place on the 1st of March. Could it have been with President Donald Trump? There's been some teases about whoever the meeting was with loves Diet Coke. Elon Musk loves Diet Coke, and we also know that Trump loves his Diet Coke. So maybe it was a meeting with Donald Trump. But jumping back in here, there is a tweet. I want to take the opportunity to briefly read it. I'm just so excited I can't even catch my breath. Where it states that a US-based crypto reserve will elevate this critical industry after years of corrupt attacks by the Biden administration, which is why he's making this executive order in order to move forward with a crypto strategic reserve that includes XRP, SOL, and ADA. And he promises to make the US, I guess, I don't want to say great again because it's never been great in the sense of crypto, but he wants to make the US a leader and an innovator in this particular space. So let me know what you guys think down below. I mean, Cardano now up 45%. I want to take the opportunity just to break down and at least highlight this breaking news here. I'll probably sit down and make some additional content throughout the day, but this is exactly what we want to see. The day has finally come where the stars are aligning for Cardano. Now we have the mention of the US-based crypto reserve. That's obviously going to be one of the biggest catalysts, right? Because if you now got the US government picking up ADA, you can imagine that they're going to have a big bag. Number two, you've got ETF filings currently underway. We are waiting for Grayscale to get their ETF or Cardano-based trust approved. Virtune just actually got theirs approved based out of Finland. We've seen Tootle Capital put in a request for a leverage ETF. We've got ARK Shares, who already has one. 21 Shares, I believe, also has one as well. And I think there's one more. But the point here being, right, that there are so many different ways now that institutions can now finally get access to ADA. This could be, and this, I think, in my opinion, will be the match that begins the run towards new all-time highs for Cardano. Again, massive breaking news here. For the sake of time, I'm going to keep this relatively brief, but let me know what you guys think down below. If you guys have found this to be helpful, I would appreciate you if you could smash that thumbs up. If you want more, consider subscribing. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to go ahead and voice off down below. That said, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next video.